Initiating simulation 006. Trajectory error detected. 66 million years ago, a rock the size of Mount Everest was heading for Mexico. In our timeline, it hit. In this simulation, it misses by 15 minutes. The great extinction never happens. The dinosaurs remain the kings of the planet. And mammals, our ancestors, remain tiny, terrified rats hiding in holes. Evolution continues. The troodon, the smartest dinosaur, begins to change. Brain size doubles. Opposable thumbs develop. They discover fire. By 50 million BC, the saurians build their first civilizations. They don't build with steel and concrete. They build with biology, bone, wood, and genetic mastery. Because they never died and turned into oil, they never invent the combustion engine. They skip the pollution phase and jump straight to geothermal and solar mastery. And what about us? Humans? We never exist. Without the asteroid clearing the way, apes never leave the trees. The closest thing to a human in this timeline is a rare, exotic pet kept in a zoo. The saurians reached the moon 10 million years before humans would have even learned to walk. But destiny is stubborn. The universe likes to correct errors. Simulation, result. Delayed extinction. The rock always hits eventually. We are lucky to be here. And log.